You just entered the Strong Labs, the place to break down barriers and build up your cyber skills. What is going on, Cyber Warriors? Jason Strong back with another video, and today I'm going to be talking about the advent of Cyber 2025 because it is almost here. If you've ever wanted to level up your cybersecurity skills, this is the best way to do it. Starting December 1st, TryHackMe is going to be dropping new beginner-friendly challenges every single day, and the best part, they're completely free. What makes it even better this year is the lineup of cybersecurity professionals who will be teaching you. You'll get daily walkthrough videos from people like John Hammond, Ryan Montgomery, the Unix guy, the bearded IT guy, Cyber with Ben, and so many more people. Real experts who have built huge communities by breaking down these cyber concepts and making them fun. And I'll also be doing these challenges right alongside with you. Another great part is TryHackMe is also giving out over $150,000 worth of prizes during the advent of cyber. I'm talking about iPhone 17s, MacBooks, rubber duckies, Raspberry Pis, Flipper Zeros, DEF CON tickets, and even cyber bootcamp scholarships. And all of that just for learning cybersecurity in a fun, hands-on way. I'll be doing daily walkthroughs during this time, so come and join with me, come and grind with me, and let's get to it, guys.